Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Venmo to Huntington Bank account, instant link step by step clearly. To connect your Venmo account to your Huntington Bank account, first, open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log in to your Venmo account if you aren't already signed in. Once logged in, navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings to access your account options. Scroll down and tap on Payment Methods. In the Payment Methods section, you will see options to add a bank account. Tap on Add a bank or card and then select Bank. Choose Huntington Bank from the list of banks provided. If you don't see Huntington Bank, use the search feature to find it. Next, select the option to connect your bank account instantly. You will be prompted to enter your Huntington Bank login credentials, such as your username and password. Follow the prompts to securely log in to your Huntington Bank account. Once logged in, Venmo will ask for permission to access your bank account information. Review the permissions and click on Authorize to proceed. After authorization, your bank account will be linked to your Venmo account. You should see a confirmation message indicating the successful connection. Now you can start using your Huntington Bank account for instant transfers on Venmo. If you encounter any issues during the process, check your internet connection and ensure your Venmo app is updated to the latest version. With these steps completed, you can enjoy seamless transactions between Venmo and your Huntington Bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.